rehydrating them because they come pretty dry and they're pretty small from being dehydrated during shipping, but I guess that's better for them. So I've been rehydrating them for a few hours and it looks like they're starting to kick around and stuff. This is a dwarf mulberry tree. It's finally starting to grow. I planted it a while ago and it just took off. It was like this big like a week ago, so I heard they were fast growing. Alright, so I went around the yard and collected some more chicken poop and turkey poop, pretty much like a full bucket. And I'm going to use this to kind of feed the area. Dig our hole. And I got 2 bags of these, so I'm going to put a good amount here. Pure worms. This is my Loquat Tree. It's one of my favorite trees. It's one of the oldest trees I've had as well. So we're gonna put some worms here. I've actually already put poop around here a few days ago, so we're already good. So one thing I wanted to talk about is this is kind of made for worms. This is like a gardener's best friend if you want to not murder all your worms. I use plastic only because it kind of helps out, and I got sprinklers, little plastic hoses in the ground. If I used metal, I could cut those as well as the worms. I don't want to do that. So let's give these worms a little bit of food. I'm going to drop some, but I think y'all should see this. And last but not least, we don't want to forget to put some worms in the actual garden. So this is another dwarf mulberry tree. I planted a vine back there. I think I'm going to do it right here. That way I can keep a good eye on them. Get these peppers out of here. Grow on top of the worm deposit. That's some good dirt there. Let's give them some food. I'm going to do about half here and then half on the other side of the garden. They weren't joking when they said these things like to group up. I'm dropping these things everywhere, but that's okay. This is my red Tahiti coconut. I've been prepping this with chicken poop as well over the last few days. I didn't want to forget to put a little bit of worms in here. Now, I feel like they're probably going to get dried out and die, because this pot gets extremely dried out during the day. But there might be a lot of moisture down in the bottom, so maybe the worms will head to where they need to. It's worth a try. I had so many worms. One more. This is my Indian peppercorn plant. It's potted. I've had this one for a while. Get down in here. Got one last batch of worms I saved. See if those can't get started in this pot for this peppercorn.